Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Word and positioning the cursor where you want text. Make sure your microphone is connected and set as the system default so Word hears you. If you're on the web, sign into your Microsoft account and allow microphone permission when prompted. Once done, go to the Home tab and look for Dictate. That's the voice typing entry point. Click Dictate. You'll see a red or blue indicator that means Word is listening. Speak clearly and say punctuation, allowed to control sentence flow. Once Dictate is active, you control punctuation and formatting by speaking commands. Say comma or new paragraph to format as you go. You can also use Select and Delete for quick corrections without touching the keyboard. If Word mishears your words, change the dictation language or accent in Dictate settings to match your voice. This improves accuracy. Make sure to pause dictation when you need to type or edit manually, and then resume by clicking Dictate again. This prevents accidental words being recorded. To finish, click the Dictate button to stop listening, then read through your document and correct any misheard words or punctuation. Make sure to proofread for homophones and names that voice recognition often confuses. If Dictate isn't working, check microphone levels and permissions, reduce background noise, and ensure a stable internet connection for cloud-based recognition. If problems persist, redictate shorter phrases or switch to a different microphone. One key tip: restart Word and your mic driver if recognition stalls. This often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.